Crypto Caesar Capital, hope you're well. It's the 21st of January 2025. Happy New Year. We're going to look at the XRP charts today and look at some realistic targets, not ridiculous conspiracy moonboy 589 targets, but some realistic ones. We'll look at the shorter term, the longer term. But before we do that, quick plug for the group. If you want to join the VIP group, the most popular membership is the premium membership. It's $499 for 1 year. That's 12 months VIP membership, full access to my altcoin picks, full education package, full Discord access, 24/7 support, live Zooms, portfolio management assistance, and daily market updates. If you want to learn more about crypto, if you want to learn more about portfolio management, risk management, how to really win in these markets rather than lose, then drop us a line via the website or drop me a DM on Twitter or X. Okay, let's have a look at the chart. So this asset XRP or Ripple, once known many years ago, is looking pretty good at the moment. This is one of the assets that I recommended to my group in my report all the way back in September of 2023. So we were taking positions pretty low down in the sort of 40 to 50 cents range. So far, pretty good return on this investment. Seems to me like a very good directional trade. I mean, it's pretty obvious what's happening here. You have these long periods of consolidation, then moves higher, consolidation, move higher, etc. It's been consolidating now for a considerable amount of time, and it's broken out, and you can see that it's now basically finding a little bit of resistance here at its previous all-time high way back in December of 2017. So it's looking really good. It's an explosive move here. I mean, there's a lot to say, really, I suppose, for tailwinds for XRP. They no longer have the SEC bearing over them. They've got a very pro crypto administration in the US now. So things are looking pretty good for XRP. And I would say that, there's a lot more probably to go in this move. So the way I'm looking at this, I hear a lot of, or see a lot of things on X about, price targets for it, just ridiculous price targets, like $100, $200, $1,000. It's just stupid. I mean, I personally wouldn't listen to those targets. I would stay grounded and conservative and look at it from a sort of reality basis rather than some stupid conspiracy theory. And the way I'm looking at this is pretty simple. I'm just going to do a trend-based Fibonacci extension from the bottom of this low here back in January of 2017 to the ultimate high and then down to the low again. And that would give you a pretty good indication, in my view, as to where, what sort of prices we're looking at in the longer term in this cycle. So right now, XRP is consolidating just below its previous all-time high back in December 2017 at around about $3.10 and change or whatever. And these are really, for me, the Fibonacci targets that the bulls will be looking to achieve. The first one is about $5.50. I think that will certainly be achieved this cycle. The second is $8.42. That's possible. And then the full bull target for me is around sort of $11 to $12. I really don't think that XRP is going to get any higher than that this cycle. I mean, I would be surprised if it even goes that high. I could be wrong, but, looking at this from a realistic perspective, from a cycle perspective, how long we've got left in the cycle, I think that $12 really is pushing it, but you never know, it might get there. But certainly, I'm fairly confident that $5.50 will be achieved, and partially confident that XRP might see $8.50. Potentially, we could see that $11, $12 mark. But the good thing, I suppose, at the moment, cycle-wise, this asset has going for it, as do a lot of strong altcoins, is a number of things. Firstly, Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is still at 58 at the moment, 58.69%. I mean, that's really, really high for Bitcoin dominance. And as we know, when Bitcoin dominance starts to drop, altcoins start to really, really rip. I mean, you know, the chart speaks for itself. This was the beginning of the alt season in 2017. This is when the alts went off the scale. What happened to Bitcoin dominance? It dropped. Same again in the cycle in 2021, and I am expecting the same again to happen. So Bitcoin dominance is still at 58%, and XRP is trading at $3. So that's a real tailwind for XRP, and that's why I think that certainly the 1618 Fibonacci extension or the 2618 could certainly be achieved this cycle. The second thing, or tailwind, if we could call it that XRP has going for it, is when we look at this chart. This is total 3, so this is the total market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can see that that hasn't even broken out yet. You know, it's just literally consolidating under its previous all-time high. And when this breaks out, altcoins are going to go crazy. You know, this is what pushes this chart to the upside when altcoins break out, and we're literally sitting in an area of consolidation, waiting now to break out and push higher. So once the total 3 breaks out, then, you know, we are looking at a pretty explosive move for altcoins, and I'm sure XRP will be included in that. The next one is total 2, which is the total market cap excluding Bitcoin, so including Ethereum and the other altcoins. And again, a clear area now of consolidation, sitting under its previous all-time high, waiting to break out. And again, when this chart breaks out, XRP and the other stronger altcoins are certainly going to follow. So there's a lot really going for XRP at the moment, given, you know, it's got the tailwind of no SEC anymore, legal clarity. It's got the tailwind of a very pro US administration. It's got the tailwind of Bitcoin dominance still being very high, and the tailwinds of total 2 and total 3 on the verge of breaking out, but not yet having broken out. And when they do break out, that is going to send this price a lot higher. But as I said, you know, you need to remain grounded. And if you're new to this space, please don't listen to the absolute idiots on particularly Instagram and places like that telling you that XRP is going to $50 or $100 or $1,000. It's just absolutely stupid, and it's going to get you wrecked. Okay, looking at this chart, realistically speaking, if XRP can get itself up to the 1618, that's almost 1,000% return. If it can get to the next Fibonacci level, that's a 1,600% return. And then if it can get to that ultimate target of the 3618, which is $12, that's a 2,245% return, which, to be honest, guys, is a really good return. And I'm taking this from this breakout level of about 47 cents, because that's kind of where we in the group were accumulating XRP, kind of in this sort of area here around sort of the, you know, the 47-50 cent mark. So really good return on your investment. But please be conservative, be realistic, and understand that things don't go up forever, and there is a cycle that all of these altcoins follow. And if I were you, I would be very, very, very concerned if Bitcoin dominance gets down close to this area of 44%. I would start getting sort of concerned and cautious at 47%. In between 47 and 43%, that's where I would be looking to start shaving off positions and taking some chips off the table, and finally selling the position completely. So that's the video for today. I hope you helped it. I hope that it was a dose of reality rather than hopium. And I shall see you next time. Take care. Thank you very much for listening. Bye-bye.